Hello and welcome to the Bike Century. My name's Ben and today I'm going to be showing you around the Suzuki GSX-S750. Now this is a 749cc inline 4 and this makes about 100 brake horsepower. This is actually a 2018 example finished in this absolutely gorgeous stealthy satin black, I guess you could say this is. It's done just 800 miles from new from one owner. And it's fitted with a number of really nice aftermarket accessories that I'll try and point out as we go. This bike would suit someone who's recently passed their test, someone looking for a mid-size naked for fun at the weekends, or someone looking for a reliable and robust commuter. So this is a kind of do-it-all sports naked, and 100 horsepower, in my opinion, is plenty for the UK roads, particularly on a naked bike where you're going to get battered by the wind at higher speeds anyway. Starting at the front, it's got a very nice front end. So it's got massive 310mm discs paired with radially mounted Nissin 4-pot calipers. So it's got loads and loads of stopping power, and that's not to mention the ABS that comes with the bike, and excellent Bridgestone tyres as well. It's got upside down, relatively adjustable forks. It's not a great deal that you can do with them, but I wouldn't play around too much with this bike. It's got a very good front end anyway. You can see that it's finished in this satin finish black, which is quite nice. Matte paint does tend to, sharp all blemishes and stuff like that, whereas satin you can still use traditional cleaning products and stuff like that on it without marking it. You can see that the bike's fitted with RNG frame mounted crash protectors, which is a nice modification on a naked bike. It just helps if you do happen to have a slow speed wobble or an accidental drop. Bodywork wise, condition wise, this bike is in very nice condition, as you'd expect for a bike that's only covered that amount of mileage. You can see it's fitted with a decent aftermarket Scorpion Red Power exhaust, and an aftermarket an aftermarket exhaust hanger as well, which is, I believe, an RNG one as well. As I pan up a little bit, you see that it's fitted with an RNG tail tidy there, and it's also got the genuine Suzuki colour-coded seat cowl. So all the nice little bits at the back end that you would hope, and obviously the Scorpion Red Power exhaust just adds a really nice exhaust note to the bike as well. Round the front, it's a fairly modern sort of sharp front end, as you can see, with sort of standard indicators that stick out from the sides, and these small LED daytime running lights either side of the headlight. On this side, it's very much the same. As you can see, it's a twin disc bike. It's got a very small belly pan on there. There's not a lot really to protect the exhaust, so it is the sort of bike that you would need to clean the exhaust manifold quite often. It's got a charge lead fitted to the back of the bike as well, just so if you were parking it up for the winter, you would want to put it on charge. That's already fitted as well. Things like brakes, chains, sprockets and tyres are all checked over during the bike's pre-delivery inspection, but obviously being quite a new bike, I don't expect to find any issues there. The bike comes with 2 keys, as you would expect, all the original owner's manual, paraphernalia, service logs and everything like that. It's got a really nice dash on the bike, fully digital, lots of information here. So obviously you've got your rev counter up here, you've got your shift pattern here, so this tells you where the best points are to shift for torque and power. You can see you've got your clock here, speed, gear position, traction control settings, temperature. Obviously the mileage, 936 miles from new. You've got your fuel gauge, and then there's the range and various other bits of information such as MPG, all that kind of stuff as well. On the left hand bar, you can control all of these items on the dash that I've mentioned, and you can also control the traction control settings, and that's what this light is here. It just indicates that the traction control system is armed and active. Let's give her a start up for you so you can have a listen. sounds really nice. It's still got a baffle in it, so it's not obnoxiously loud. Your neighbours will thank you for that when you're getting up at 7 o'clock in the morning to go to the bike meets. You could take that out, but it just adds a little bit of a nicer rumble to it is all. This bike will come with a 3-month warranty. I believe this has got, yes, it is a 3-month warranty. It'll also come with free UK delivery as well from us. We offer finance, we offer part exchange. If those are things that you're interested in, or you've got any general questions about the bike, please feel free to reach out. We've got WhatsApp, we've got live chat, we've got all the social medias, or of course you can pop into the showroom or give us a call for a chat. That's it from me. Thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.